In the last 73 days since I've been monetized on YouTube, I've made a total of $650.21 off of 153,000 views, which comes out to around $4.25 per 1,000 views, which is actually really good. Like, a lot of creators don't really make that much, and they make around $4.25 per 1,000 viewers on like longer videos. My videos are all very short, so if I did bump them up to like 10-minute videos and got mid-rolls on all of them, I could probably make around $8. So YouTube, you can make some good money, but it's not really that much money where you can really support yourself, especially with a small channel like mine with only around 6,000 subscribers. Like, you can't really do that much and really support yourself from it, but you still can make some good money as a hobby. Since I make around $4.25 per 1,000 views, as long as I get more views, I can make a lot more money. And if you see here, like, it kind of fluctuates. I think since like October, November, and December were kind of the best months for like CPM and ad rates on YouTube, just because it was like the holiday season. Of course, I will be making like a lot less money if it was the full year. I'd probably be making around $3.50 per 1,000 views, but overall, you can make some good money on YouTube, and especially if you are posting as much as I am, where I'm posting like 2 to 3 videos per day. Like, you can make some money, but it's not really a job where you can make that much money. So here we can look at some of these other videos I made. This is my Drake Nocta video. I released it just about a week and a half ago, and it's made $17.78. And on this, it's made $4.44 per 1,000 views. And you can see a lot of the views come from the skippable video ads. Those are the ones that come right before the video, and then these other ones are like the ones that are the bumper ads are the ones that are like on the bottom of the video. The non-skippable video ads are also ones that play at the beginning of the video, and the display ads are the ones that are on like the side of your video, or they pop up at the bottom, and they're really going to be the lowest ones for ad rates, even though they do have the most ad impressions, just because a lot of people do see them, but they're not going to make you that much money because a lot of people won't be clicking on these. And you can see, like, since most of my viewers are from the US, I do probably get higher ad rates. And since most of them are also males, and I run a male oriented channel, and it's like more finance and money type things, it definitely is going to be like make more money for me, just because like the male finance sector of YouTube is going to have like higher ad rates than like a Indonesian gaming channel, where you're probably only going to make like 20 to 25 cents per 1,000 views. Here we can look at another one of my videos. This is a 10-minute video. It's actually 11 minutes long, and I made $10.42 per 1,000 views on this one. So it performed a lot better, but that's just because with mid-rolls, you can get the skippable ad or video ads. You get a lot more of these, which CPM on these is $27, which means I make around $13 per 1,000 people who watch one of those. So it is really good, and you get a lot more of those ads, which in turn gives you a lot more revenue. So that's why you see a lot of these YouTubers trying to get their videos to like 8 to 10 minutes long, because then you can have mid-rolls on your videos. I just try and keep my videos as short and as quick to the point as possible. So that's why a lot of my videos aren't 10 minutes long, but some of these are really nice to get like this big payday where you get $10.42 per 1,000 views, which is just really nice. And as you can see on this video, like, it's a little weird in terms of like ad rates. Like, if you look on the RPM, the first day I made $20 per 1,000 viewers, which I didn't get 1,000 viewers on that day. But then the next couple of days it dropped down to $1.53. The ad rates are kind of variable, especially if you don't get that many viewers on the videos after like the first couple days. But either way, the money kind of stacks up, and as long as you have videos out there that people are continuing to watch as time goes on, all that money stacks up, and you can get like 1 to 2 cents per video, and it all just starts adding up, and you can make a lot more money on your YouTube channel. If you look at this other video, the Jordan 1 metallic gold, since I mentioned gold in the title, I believe the RPM went up a lot. My normal videos are around 425, as you saw earlier, but this one we're at around $5 per 1,000 views, and I just believe it is because I mentioned gold in it. Gold's a big thing with like finance and stuff, and I would assume that there were probably some like gold investors or whatever that were putting ads on my videos, which kind of bumped up the ad rates. As you can see here, these are a little bit higher than my normal ones. This means I'm making around $9 per 1,000 ads of the skippable video ads that pop up. So I'm making a lot of money from it, and I think altogether it really came out to be a pretty good payday, especially because this was one of my larger videos with 3.5K views, and it made me $17, which is really nice, and I made $5 per 1,000 views, which is probably one of my best videos that wasn't over 10 minutes long. So it just really was a good payday for me, and I made a lot of money from it. And these videos are the type of ones that kind of carry my channel. Most of my videos do not make over $10. I'm just putting them out there so like people can understand my hobbies and everything like that. But it is really nice to see some videos making a good amount of money, just because it kind of helps me, like, you know, invest more money into this channel and put more time and effort into my videos. So I definitely do appreciate when a lot of people view my videos and I get like a little bit more money, because I'm just trying to help like people and the fans of my channel, everything like that. But either way, well, we can look at this other one. This is the Nike Dunk High Pure Platinum. I think this one also was a little bit higher on the RPM just because it said platinum. Platinum's not as big of a topic as gold, but it still is like a little bit of a big topic just because it is like a expensive metal. But as you can see here, it was a little bit higher than normal, and mostly my views do come only from males. And most of my views, of course, come from the United States, because the United States are like the biggest consumer of shoes. And most of these shoes, I do like post the videos when they do drop in the United States. So a lot of my viewers are from the United States, which does kind of lead to a lot more higher like ad rates, just because US likely has the highest ad rates. I looked at it and I believe US is around $4 to $5 per 1,000 views. Most other countries are around like $4. And then there are some countries like Indonesia and like Southeast Asian countries, which only net me around $1 per 1,000 views, which is really just nothing. But I mean, any money is fine because I'm just running this channel as a hobby. And it's just really nice to see some money coming out of the channel at least. So if we do go to this next video, which this is my largest grossing video, I believe. It got 5,000 views and it made around $24, which is actually really nice. It's really great for my channel to have like good videos like this. And it made just about $4.70 per 1,000 views, which is really nice. I made 17 cents from YouTube premium revenue. And I just think this was like an overall good video. I had some big spikes and a lot more people were watching it from like other countries besides the US. I mean, of course, the US is coming in with 70%. So I'm assuming that's why the ad rates are a little bit higher than some of my other ones. But either way, this video did really well and it netted me a good amount of money. So now if we go to this video, this is the Nike Dunk Low Crater. This one only made $11 or $12 basically on $2.80 RPM, which is per 1,000 views. This actually got 4.3K views, which is a lot more than my normal videos get, but it made probably the amount that like a 2,000 to 3,000 view video got, just because I believe most of these viewers were not from the United States. Yeah, only 24% of my viewers are from the United States, when normally it's around 40 to 50, and on some good videos it's around like 70. But a lot of these people are from these other countries, and they kind of bring the ad rates lower because most advertisers try and target to the United States viewers, when like if it's not from the United States and if it's from some of these other things, you can see that they're a lot cheaper. And you can also see by like the device type, a lot of these people are running from mobile phones or like from just regular phones. So you can kind of see like that they're not really as like rich of people. And a lot of these people have like Androids and stuff. And when iOS products are usually the more expensive products, like although some Androids are really expensive in most countries, like the ad rates are higher for iOS products, just because most of the time the iOS product is usually more expensive than the Android product, and you can usually get the iOS people to spend more money on like a advertisement than some of the Android people. Anyway, if I was monetized this whole year, I probably would have made around $1,900. Like a lot of my revenue came like after my super big periods of just getting a lot of views. So I could have made a lot more money from this channel if I had been monetized this whole year. But YouTube's kind of changed up their like monetization program, and it takes a long time to get into it. And once you do get into it, you can start making a good amount of money, but it's not really that much money. So if you are going to start a YouTube channel, I would just start suggesting doing like something that you like a lot. Like I like shoes a lot, and I made this channel and we've made a ton of money. I mean, not a ton of money, but $650, and there's just a lot of people that like this channel. And if you are going to start a channel, I would definitely suggest subscribing to this channel. We got a lot of other videos, and also subscribe to my finance channel if you do like finance videos like this. So I would definitely suggest subscribing to my channel or the finance channel, just because a lot of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And I would definitely appreciate if everyone subscribed to my channel, just because there's going to be a lot more videos like this that are going to be really helpful to people who want to know how to like make money off YouTube or just make money off shoes and other stuff. So it definitely is a good idea to subscribe to my channel, because you can just make a little money here and there. This is a hobby. Either way, my channel's done really good this year, and I thank every single one of you for these $650 that I've made from this channel. I'm going to be reinvesting a lot of that money back into the channel to make all these videos a lot higher quality.